This is a bird animation of 200 frame. Now pause, select the bird body or geometry, go to cache, Alembic cache, click export selection to Alembic, open the option box, cache time range, select time slider, go down, advanced option, click on this option, UV right UV set, click export selection, rename this one as fly, click export selection, see exporting has been done, go to file, take a new scene, turn on the grid, take a polygon plane, change modeling menu to effects menu, go to mesh, open create mesh network option, geometry type select mesh, click apply and close, open the attribute editor, mesh 1 distribute, distribution type select grid, distance x type here 45, distance z type here 45. Now select mesh 1, add a transform node, on transform mesh 1 transform controller null, right click, click create. This will create a mesh 1 transform locator. See this one. Now go to cache, Alembic cache, open import the Alembic file, select this one, click import. Now select this one, press shift plus T to assign new material, select Lambert, click on this Lambert color checker box, select RAM, move this one here and this one here, create this 2 point, select this color and this one, select this color. To see the texture effect, click on this color texture icon, create 1 point here and also another point here, select this point, select this red color and this one, select blue color. Now select the bird body, go to mesh, create mesh network option, open the option box, select instancer, this time click apply and close, mesh to distribute, distribution type select mesh, select mesh to, add a random node, increase it, increase the y value, type here 5 and type here 15 on position X, type here 15 also on position G, increase the y value, now select the mesh to distribute, select mesh 1 repro mesh, middle click and drag it to the input mesh of the mesh 2 distribute and see. Now click play and see, nothing is happening. Again select the bird body, fly Alembic node, cycle type change hold to loop. Now again go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. See, this time it is working. Pause, go to panel, perspective, take a new camera, go to Arnold, light, take a skydome light, open attribute editor on a skydome color checker box, select file, connect a HDRI image. I downloaded the image from the Google. Turn off the grid, move this one here. Go to frame 1, select the camera, press S to make a keyframe. Now move the time slider to frame 40. Move the bird here. Again press S to make another key. Move the time slider to frame 80. Again press S. Move the time slider to frame 110 and move them here. Again press S to make another key. Now go to Windows Animation Editor, select Graph Editor, select all the keyframe, click Linear, Curve Pre-Infinity to Cycle, Curve Post-Infinity to Cycle. Now close the Graph Editor, go to frame 1, click play and see the effect. See, in this process you can create bird crowd animation or bird flock animation in Maya 2023. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.